Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we will be analyzing what is happening regarding Bitcoin price, and of course, we are going to be explaining a little bit what is happening in the charts, what we should expect right here, right now, and of course, what is the next major step we should be cautious about. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get all the first nice content we are sharing. So let's go directly to the chart to find out what is happening right there. Going directly to the chart, we find out that Bitcoin hasn't been technically moving the last period of time. So we are going to be analyzing exactly what is happening after we pull out this beautiful chart. As far as you can see right here, guys, we are consolidating still under the daily 21 moving average. Also, the RSI is looking pretty much bottom, but it looks like we have more space to go towards the downside. Now, are there any important levels that we should watch at this point? Of course, guys, and every time you are going to be checking out what is happening regarding the Bitcoin chart, what you should function with is the fib level. So after you pull out the fib levels, you are realizing, okay, that we have been technically, and we are in a range territory. This range territory I have been mentioning back as well from where we have been to the 30,000 level. So in this period, when you are watching that Bitcoin is technically consolidating and you have major levels to watch right here, is the distance between the 0.618 and the 0.382. As long as you have consolidation between those two levels, we are technically neutral, okay? But we have mentioned as well that it's also a place where you should watch this price action right here, because the major levels as well, it tends to be a little bit lower of what the 0.382 level is for the fib ratio. So with us being at this point, we should create a demand zone where you can see that we have been consolidating, and this is technically a neutral zone. In this neutral zone, you should be cautious that there are trades that of course you can take, but they shouldn't be major. So you are taking, for example, a big swing trade towards the upside or the downside, since you know that is indecision in the market right here. So we see this indecision in the market. We see that things are not looking pumpy. Things are looking more bearish at this point, what I would say. And of course, the major level to watch is the 39,000 approximately 700 right here. Okay, this is what it shows on the daily chart. Now, in case we have a break towards the downside, okay, the major level to watch is the 37,700, but this is much lower of what we would like to trade at this point. So why I'm saying all that? Should you be cautious and get on the board for this way towards the downside? In my opinion, no, because when you are coming at these levels and you are watching that it has been consolidation for a long period of time, okay, you can easily short this area, make it even smaller instead of you technically hustling, okay, and you can realize that we have major support level to watch. Is this major support level going to break towards the downside? Well, this is something we don't know. The bearish price action and the bearish RSI, it shows that yes, this could be a chance, but most of the time whales are coming right here to take your money, guys. So everyone believes that, yeah, okay, we continue, we go towards the downside, and the level to watch is 37,700. Yes, you could take like a small trade right there. Very nice stop loss in case you are shorting, guys. So I would say that if you are coming to short at this point, okay, the ratio is pretty much 2.50 to 1. So what I would say, guys, is that yes, it's a nice ratio, like for forex trading especially, it's a crazy ratio, and you could use it if you want to short at this point, but I wouldn't do it. Why? When we are realizing that we have a price action towards the downside, we should see this major support level to break towards the downside. So why am I saying that? In case this breaks towards the downside, we should leave this place to confirm with the daily candlestick, so we can come and test the next major line, what is the 30,000 level. So I wouldn't technically hold it to say that, okay, then we are good, what's the downside, and we have major levels towards to 30,000, but we don't know yet, because you could see like a kind of wick and then a technical buy very fast, and of course retracing towards the upside, of course creating a lower low, something that is bearish, and it could continue going further towards the downside, but the fake out could be very fast. And this is something that the markets are doing, especially in crypto. We see candlesticks going all the way up and then breaking major resistance lines like this one, okay, and it comes towards the upside. Now, regarding towards the upside, okay, we have this insane head and shoulder pattern that most of the times when it consolidates too much, it has a tendency to never happen. So let's say if you are going to count the bearish price action, this could take you all the way towards the downside, okay, and this is like major. It could drop all the way down to 30,000 in case this head and shoulder pattern could be like kind of paid out, but I don't expect something like this at this point, because the consolidation takes too long. We have the price action falling, and this is a falling wedge as far as you can see, a broadening wedge that could easily retrace, break towards the upside, and then this could be the most bullish thing ever we have seen in the last period of time. So that's why I'm saying that I would stay right now here, and I would say that, guys, I am expecting some further price action towards the upside. In case we break right here, we hold the X point, that is exactly the 42,700 right now, and then I would see further price action towards the upside. And I would say that, do you know what, I am going to trade this massive trade, this major trade, to at least, okay, 50,300 or a little bit lower to the 49,900. Why? Because this is the next major zone to watch right here, is what I would say like the major point where many people would start taking profits again. So this is a technical target where it can take you to approximately 17% up, and with a very nice leverage of 5 or 6, this could be insane. So we are expecting like this kind of trends to break towards the upside, and this is turning to be the most bullish thing, like it happened down here when we have been to the 30,000 level. So as far as you can see, after we broke this, we continue going all the way up. So I could expect a major price action as well at the same time, breaking what's the upside, and of course this could be a major bullish thing, and this is my price target for where we are right now. The 49,900 is major level to watch. I would stay to this demand zone, I would say, and we would expect a very nice profit at this point in case this breaks towards the upside and confirms. So thank you so much for watching. If you appreciate this content, please don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications. See you in the next one. Reminder.